Hi, I'm Kyle Mitchell with Whitaker Brothers, and today I want to show you how to take FP's OEM ink and change the cartridge in your PostBase 20, 30, 45, 65, 85, and above. Now come on in closer. I'm going to take out the stylus and I'll show you exactly what buttons to press and how to change those ink cartridges. Alright, now I want to show you exactly how you change the ink cartridges in an FP postage machine. This is going to apply to all PostBases from the 20 and up. It does not apply to the PostBase Mini. So right now we're at the home screen, and I'm going to touch Menu, and I'm going to touch Print System. Now we're going to see 6 different options here. If you want, you can hit Information and you can see how much ink you have left. Now we're going to change these ink cartridges even though these don't really need it changed. But anyhow, what we go to is Change Cartridges. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to hit this button, and the machine is going to make some noise, and then eventually this cover is going to pop open for us. Do not try to pull the cover open yourself. When it's ready to come open, it'll do it. Now in terms of changing the cartridges, we've got these little ridges right here, and that's supposed to tell us that all we need to do is push on them. So I'm going to push and let go, and as you can see, it pops out. Take that one out, push, let go, it pops out. Okay? Now I'm going to take my new ink cartridges. There is no left or right or wrong, okay? Both ink cartridges are exactly the same, you just need to make sure you have 2 of them. So I'm going to take my ink like this, notice where this bottom lip part is, and I'm going to put it in there. Now, kind of similar to the way that we took it out, I'm going to push down, push in. Locked in, again, push down, push in a little bit, and they should be pretty fixed. And if you're not sure if you got it right, well, just do taking it out again. Push in, let go, and because that went smoothly, I can tell we had it in right. So now I'm going to close this, and again, we're going to hear the machine make a lot of noise. And this process takes about 30 to 40 seconds for the new ink cartridges to be calibrated and cleaned and purged. And then in a moment, we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, so now we want to adjust the alignment. You're going to have to do this every single time you change the ink cartridges. If you're finding out that that's happening far too often, I recommend you take a look at the PIC 40 ink cartridges, which can handle up to 18 to 20,000 impressions in a single set. But anyhow, we have to change the alignment, make sure we're printing properly. If we were to skip this process, then the indicia applied to the envelope may look very unusual. So I'm going to hit Label, and it's going to pull one from right there. And I'm going to show you what we're looking at. Now we got really, really lucky on this one, where the horizontal line and the vertical line are completely solid. But if you take a look at this screen right here, it gives us different options for what that line might look like. And we touch what it looks the most like. The machine will make an adjustment, and then it'll print out another label, and then we see if we like it. In this case, though, if we take a look at the horizontal line, that is completely straight. So I'm going to touch 5, which looks most like it. And we look at the vertical line, and that too is completely straight. So we got really lucky here. I'm going to push 5. And now the cartridge alignment is complete. We press OK. And it's going to take us right back to the Print System menu, and in order to get back to the home screen, you just hit back twice, and there we are. Your ink cartridges have been changed, and you won't have to worry about that for a little while. So that's all there is to it. If you followed my instructions, then your ink cartridges have been changed, and I'm going to put the stylus right in the back here. And good luck with your machine, and remember, this applies to the FP PostBase 20, 30, 45, 65, 85, and beyond. It does not apply to the PostBase Mini. Thanks for watching.